Sometimes the path to the best future just starts by reimagining the past. That's what happened when this young couple came to us with the idea of restoring a mid-century home. Unfortunately, the original structure had been almost completely demolished. But these two incredible lighting designers had a vision, and they know when something is worth trying to save, or in this case, rebuild. The original home, designed by Jasper Ward, had been designed in the peak of the mid-century movement. This was in the 40s and 50s when architects like Neutra and Nelson began to put their stamp on coastal towns on Long Island. In his original design, there was a lot that worked. He carved a split-level design into the sloping grade of the property, which allowed for a modest presence at entry, but allowed for large double-height space in the rear of the home. The iconic butterfly roof design created a clear separation between public and private zones, all without creating unused space like a traditional gabled roof might do. These two design gestures, paired with the use of clear-story windows at the top edge of many walls, gave the rooms high ceilings and ample natural light. However, the chance to rebuild allowed us to explore some new ideas that would make the home perfect for this growing family. Namely, we were able to reimagine the flow throughout the space to perfectly fit their needs. As you enter the main level of the residence, you're guided into the primary gathering space. A custom kitchen, living, and dining are the perfect place for the family to gather, all overlooking this incredible property. Outside, the rear deck connects them with nature, overlooking a pool and a new pool cabana. Since this new pool cabana is most commonly viewed from up the hill, it was crucial to design a roof plane that was appealing from above. We did this by wrapping linear wood slats up and over the pool cabana, which provides not only shade in the seating area, but a visual rhythm from above. This new pool house acts almost as a sculpture in the rolling landscape, and it houses a seating area, changing area, a walk-in linen closet, and a modern bath. The home itself is filled with incredibly exciting new building materials, many of which the homeowners discovered in their own lighting design practice. The exterior facade is clad in redwood from reclaimed New York City water towers. The flooring is a custom blend of terrazzo, and many of the windows themselves are custom forms and shapes that were cut specifically for this home. Back inside, the front room acts as a home office for the family's thriving lighting company, Allied Maker. The round skylight and custom glass window box soak this room in natural light. The street level of the home is intended for shared gathering spaces, while the split level brings you down into the private bedroom suites. That half level into the landscape includes the primary bedroom suite and the children's bedrooms. The children's bedrooms are filled with custom millwork like bunk beds, desks, and more, all overlooking the incredible landscape out back. The primary bedroom itself also looks out on an incredible landscape and includes a beautiful spa-like bathroom. This bathroom includes a step-down bathtub and a glass shower enclosure that makes it feel like a personal spa. As you step down once more into the landscape, you enter what we think of as the entertainment level. Here we put a bar, a gym, and a sauna. This lower entertainment space connects with the pool and patio area, bringing the family and their guests outdoors. It's not bad for a home that looks pretty modest from entry. If you want to see more of the concepts behind our other modern home designs, jump over to our channel. And if you want to see the build of this design come to life, jump over to our social media or our website.